In today's tutorial, I'll show you how I made this special gift set for my mom and my aunt, who are both turning 75 on August 18th. We'll be sublimating a tapered latte mug using an air fryer, and then I'll show you how to create a matching candle in a jar using a sticker made with Cricut's print and cut feature. The sublimation print is designed specifically for a tapered mug, not a straight one. I'll also share the Photoshop template on my website, so you can easily adjust your designs. If you try using a straight print on a tapered mug, the design won't align properly, and the result won't look as good. I carefully line up the design so it matches with the handle of the mug. Since I use silicone mug clamps, I only tape the design lightly to the mug, just enough to keep in place while attaching the clamp. This clamp is also tapered, just like the mug. I love using these because they save me time. I don't have to tape the design all the way around. Even more importantly, the clamp is so tight that it leaves no space for air. Air pockets between the mug and the design are one of the main reasons a sublimation project can fail. I place the mug in the air fryer at 180 degrees for 4 minutes, with the handle facing to the right. After the first 4 minutes, I turn the handle to the left and heat it for another 4 minutes. I follow this order so that if I get distracted, I can easily tell whether it was the first 4 minutes or the second. As soon as the mug is finished, I place it in a bucket of water so it cools down immediately. I bought these heat-resistant gloves, but the pink dots actually melted when I picked up the mug from the air fryer, so they're not really suitable for sublimation projects. Now that everything is cooled, I can take off the clamp and the mug is ready. The jar's bamboo lid is perfect for adhesive vinyl. I'll create a custom text design for it. I measure the lid so I can create a circle in Design Space, which helps me determine how large the text can be. When using the text tool, you also have the option to curve your text. I love this feature. It makes everything so much easier. When choosing a font, you'll see a few tabs above the font list. I use the System tab, where all my own fonts are available. The thing with Cricut fonts is that not all of them are free, and I don't like discovering a font I love only to find out I have to pay for it before cutting. My own fonts are already paid for, so I can use them without any hassle. Now, I can remove the circle as it was only for measurement. When the text is done, don't forget to attach all together before cutting. If you don't, Cricut will place you text all over the mat. The material for this is matte vinyl. Now let's cut the vinyl. Press the vinyl firmly onto your mat. I use a roller I bought for just €1. It's actually sold for diamond painting, but it works perfectly for smoothing vinyl onto the mat too. Now, let's weed the little parts out and put some transfer tape on it. This way we can stick it on the lid. Rub firmly until the vinyl sticks to the transfer tape. Now press firmly until the vinyl adheres to the lid. A small adjustment like this instantly makes the candle look more appealing as a gift. But we're not finished yet. I upload the same design in Design Space as I used for my sublimation design. I will use the print and cut feature and print it on a clear sticker paper. I make a circle again because I want a round sticker that I can put on the front of the candle. I need to flatten the image, so it will be the circle and not the image that will be cut out. Peel off your sticker and position it on the jar. Press it down firmly, starting from the center and smoothing outward to avoid bubbles. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget, check the link in the description for the Photoshop template and more resources.